So, and it has this cover case which makes this also scratch proof. I'm not going to scratch it with this because but as you can see it is scratch proof. I also scratched that, so that's fine. So now we will going to plug this in our laptop. Ready? So let's do some work with this hard drive. Connecting this, and I have this USB 3.1 cable. Now as you can see here, LED light here, as you can see this one, so it's connected. So now as you can see on this screen, we got this manual which you can read, and we have this inbuilt some data. Now this is activate warranty. We are not going to do that now. So let's see. First of all, we need to format this. So it's NTFS and exFAT, but we are going for NTFS. Yep, 53.3, and allocation byte we are going for this, and start. So the format has been completed here. Now let's try to copy some data. So I'm going to copy a film, and let's see how much time will it take. So this is like 1.1 GB, and let's copy this to this newest hard drive, paste it, and see the speed is 86 Mbps. We got 88 Mbps per second copy speed. I'm going to show you again. So now again let's go for film, and let's copy another film. This is like 24 MB, just here. So like this is 1.67 GB, and let's see how much time will it take to copy and what's the speed. Copy, and going for this, paste it, and as you can see it's like 70, 90, 100 Mbps. The speed is so high, like it's 100 Mbps, and it takes only like 30 seconds to copy a 2 GB file. So it's a pretty much good speed, and that's about the speed of copying in hard disk. So I